understanding the term squash player in English. Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of sports terminology, specifically focusing on the phrase, squash player. Whether you're a sports enthusiast or just keen on expanding your English vocabulary, this video will clarify what a squash player is and introduce some related terms. Let's start by understanding the game of squash. Squash is a high-energy racket sport played by two players, or four, in doubles, in a four-walled court. With a small, hollow rubber ball, players take turns hitting the ball onto the playable surfaces of the walls. It's a game requiring agility, strategy, and stamina. A squash player is someone who plays squash. This term can refer to anyone from a beginner to a professional athlete. Key qualities of a successful squash player include quick reflexes, strategic thinking, and physical fitness. A squash player must also understand the rules and tactics of the game. In the world of squash, there are different levels and types of players. Amateurs, those who play for fun or as a hobby. Club players, regular players at sports clubs, often participating in local leagues. Professionals, highly skilled players who compete in national and international tournaments. It's important to familiarize yourself with some related terms. Racket, the equipment used by a squash player. Serve, the action of starting a point in squash. Rally, a sequence of back-and-forth shots between players. Squash, though less popular than sports like football or basketball, has its place in global culture. Movies, books, and documentaries sometimes feature squash to highlight a character's competitiveness or fitness lifestyle. I hope this video has helped you understand what a squash player is and has piqued your interest in this dynamic sport. Whether you're planning to play or just enjoy learning new terms, squash offers a great blend of physical and mental challenge. Stay curious, and happy learning!